Welcome to our lecture online. A big part of working with polynomials is knowing how to put them in a simpler form. In other words, simplifying an expression like this. We have nested parentheses, we have brackets. How do we rewrite that in a simpler form? Well, the idea is to start from the inside towards the outside, just like we always do when we deal with parentheses. So first, what we're going to do is take care of what we have in here. So in other words, we're going to apply this negative sign, let me use red here, this negative sign to what's inside the parentheses here and leave everything else alone. So starting from the inside, working our way outward. So this is equal to 1 minus to the fifth. So all that remains the same. Now all we're going to do is apply this negative sign to those two terms and remove those parentheses. So this becomes a negative times a positive, which is a negative 1, and negative times a negative becomes a plus x to the fifth. So that parenthesis is gone, we have 1 left and a bracket. All right, now we tackle the next negative sign, the next parentheses, set of parentheses. We're going to apply this negative sign here, here, and here. Remove the parentheses and apply the negative sign. So this becomes as follows: 1 minus x to the fifth minus 1. Now here we have a minus times a plus, which is a minus x to the fifth. A minus times a minus, which is plus 1. A minus times a plus becomes a minus x to the fifth. And the brackets are still there, but now that second set of parentheses is gone. The last thing we need to do to simplify it is get rid of the brackets by now applying this negative sign to what's inside. Now, what we could already do is we could simplify what's inside here. That may not be a bad thing to do because I can see already some like terms. So this becomes equal to 1 minus x to the fifth minus, we have a 1 plus 1, which gives us 2, and a minus x to the fifth minus x to the fifth is a minus 2x to the fifth. And now it makes it easier to apply the negative sign to what's inside. There's only two terms left, so we apply this with this and this. So now the next thing we write is 1 minus x to the fifth. A minus times a plus becomes a minus 2. A minus times a minus becomes a plus 2x to the fifth. And now all we have left to do is combine like terms over here. So this is equal to, starting with the highest order power, minus x to the fifth plus 2x to the fifth, which is x to the fifth. A 1 minus 2 is a minus 1. And that then would be the simplified result from what we started with up there. And that's how it's done.